Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I used AI to earn $5,000 last month. With the help of AI, I went from being bankrupt to having more than 7 lucrative clients who will pay me each month for my services. The best thing though, I used AI to handle everything. I kept a journal of my journey during these 30 days. We will go through every detail. What was effective and ineffective, where I erred, and how I could have done it better. And believe me when I say that this video will be of benefit to you in a way that most paid courses are not. You don't want to miss out, so sit tight and pay attention. Brainstorming ideas is the first and most important stage. You need to develop a workable game plan, invest some time in market research to determine what products are already selling, and identify a product that can either cure a customer's problem, make their life easier, or increase a company's sales and clientele. So what did I think of? Memes. Yes, you heard correctly. I traded memes. You might be wondering how it resolves anyone's issue at this point. Memes, on the other hand, rank among the most interesting online content available. Compared to other types of material, it receives the most views, likes, and comments. Businesses also desired this kind of involvement, but few were actually using it. I discovered a market gap that presents me with a lucrative opportunity. In the internet age, memes have evolved into a form of communication, and corporations want to be understood. In order to approach businesses about how they might enhance their brand image online through memes and potentially gain more customers, I intend to launch a marketing agency around this. Now, generally speaking, you would need to test your idea to see if it would work. I can skip that portion for myself. As we can see, businesses frequently use memes to communicate messages, which is proof that this strategy is effective. But if you want to make sure your concept will be successful or not, you can easily see if someone is already running advertising for the same products by visiting the Facebook ad library. If the answer is yes, it must function. Otherwise, why would someone spend money on a useless item? Okay, I've got my concept ready. It's time for me to organize it into a plan that increases my conversion rate while simultaneously giving the customer the most value. Here's where ChatGPT comes into play. It will take hours, if not days, to construct a systematic plan from scratch. However, AI can greatly simplify and streamline this procedure for me, and as you can see, it provided a thorough response, saving me countless hours of labor. However, it did provide a suitable industry standard to follow. This is still far from flawless. I can improvise from this point on and try out new tactics. Determine who your target market is first. The most important step to think about is this one. Even if you have the best product in the world, it will be considered the worst if you don't market it to the correct customers. Once more, I turned to ChatGPT for additional suggestions. I received these results and I really enjoy the startup advice. Startups frequently seek out cutting-edge marketing techniques that will make them stand out. Though startups as a whole are a sizable niche, memes can be a humorous and memorable way to accomplish this. Niche markets with strong, positive cash flows allow business owners to experiment with new ideas without feeling guilty. This is when you need to use your own imagination and do some research. You are out of luck here, ChatGPT. You must consider every element and weigh the advantages and disadvantages of your suggestions. I was able to get one after putting in some effort that meets all the criteria. More people than ever before are interested in finance, and the sector has risen rapidly in recent years. As a result, there are more gurus attempting to market their courses in this area. While some are already millionaires, others are just getting started. These people can scale their company with the aid of my service. Okay, I've found my calling. It's now time for me to create a website for it. A tidy, professional-feeling website. Even though I'll be contacting businesses directly via emails, calls, and DMs, having a website that conveys professionalism to them is still important. Customers can visit my website and read testimonials, reviews, and information on previous outcomes, which will ultimately raise the value of my brand. I employ an AI program called Mixo AI for this. The utility converts text into a web page. Within 30 seconds, it can turn any text into a fully functional, aesthetically pleasing website with pertinent photos and information. The cost of this AI is much lower than the hundreds of dollars often spent on website creation. The program is available for free use, and after you're satisfied, you can upgrade to a paid version. Do look for the website link in the pinned comment or description. Okay, now that my website is finished, I just need to launch it. I can't share my genuine website due to business concerns. Of course, when I'm ready, it's time to decide on my price. Instead of merely purchasing the service as another product, I need to let my customer experience the value. Because, as you may recall, value is what you receive, not what you pay for. You can learn the art of selling by mastering the psychology of value. I chose variable pricing to engage the customer more and avoid coming across as simply another salesperson. We will talk about his needs and find the price that works best for him. The most important element now is pursuing clients and closing deals. Where most people fall short is here. I'm also not an expert in this, so obviously I used AI as well. Here I create a clear, high-converting sales pitch using copy AI. For these kinds of activities, this instrument is well taught, and it typically produces positive and beneficial results. I'll include a link to the webpage in the description below. I came up with 6 distinct results and will contact each client with whichever sales pitch copy the AI produces. From this point on, I'll examine which ones worked the best and which ones didn't. What format and language elicit the most responses from my clients? I will continue to tweak my scripts until I find the one with the best engagement and conversion rates. You'll have to handle this independently. You cannot get assistance from AI in this situation. You must approach clients, though, if you want even this to succeed. Hundreds, not 1, 2, or even 1. The likelihood is that the first 10 people you reach out to won't even respond. And this is the point at which people lose motivation, start over, and join a new hustle while still receiving nothing for being low. Get off the couch and start working if you want to earn money and build a business. I learned one thing after trying countless hustles and failing. Inspiration needs momentum. However, as an entrepreneur, you must alter your perspective if you want to succeed. I made contact with 87 pages in total, mostly by email, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and I had 7 responses and 2 sales as a result. I may make it sound simple, but trust me when I say it wasn't. As I'm new, I had to create customized meme formats for each page I contacted. Why would someone use my services and pay for my claims too? So I gave away packages. I first sent 2 customized memes to each of the 87 accounts, and 7 of them replied. I gave them 10 days of service absolutely free. However, things abruptly changed when 2 of these accounts experienced a sharp rise in post-engagement throughout their whole account. I was aware at the time that in order to get my first customer, I needed to make a sale. I made all of this specifically for this occasion. I got in touch with them right away, and happily I closed my first deal. I settled on $450 per month for 40 memes. But how did I come up with this much information on my own? You'll be astonished to learn that there is an AI for this as well. Super Meme AI is its name. A text-to-meme AI is creating this. I create all of the memes I send to my clients using this program. It typically produces quality memes while adhering to the most popular meme trends. You can easily test it out because it also offers free programs. I then experienced exponential growth. I reached out to other people and used my current clientele as proof, and it succeeded. Within a further 7 days, I was able to secure 3 more clients. Within my first month, I was able to secure 6 high-paying clients, bringing in a total of around $5,000. I have around $5,000 in revenue after deducting the PayPal fee. I eventually figured it out after hundreds of side businesses failed and I made countless blunders. I've now turned a profit. This is the lesson I want you to learn from the video. You don't become wealthy overnight. The only way you are going to generate money if you watch this video with the intention of using AI or another method to do so is by adding value. Sadly, there isn't a hack or artificial intelligence that can make you rich overnight. You'll get closer to success if you stop expecting instant success. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel since I have more AI content coming soon and will continue to share how I'm using AI tools to earn money online.